Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. I'm going to do a long burp. My technique is I suck in air. Okay, I drink the pot, and after I drink the pot, I suck in the air. That will create a bubble in my stomach, and then I'll be able to burp. Like this. Okay, here I go. This is gonna be a long one. Oh man, I went to the other one. I got a long because the fitting was running out. Man, the phone got a ring. Yeah. Alright, that's it of this video now. No, I ain't done yet. Almost done with this. Try to finish this off. What? I'm gonna try to finish it off. I feel like vomit's gonna come up. I feel like it. Oh, excuse me. So, that's how I do my long burps. I know, they're pretty impressive, aren't they? I taught myself a year ago how to do that. Like, last year. Excuse me. In college, I did it. 41 day in class. So I taught myself it. Excuse me. I'm almost done with the bottle. I'm chugging it, look. Okay. Okay. And that's in like another minute. Excuse me. Hope you enjoyed that video. Take another one soon. Bye.